Background music fades in light and inspiring. Hello everyone, welcome to Samar Hyatt channel. Today we're diving into a camera that might just be your entry ticket into the world of photography, the Nikon D3500. Whether you're a hobbyist or aspiring to become a professional, stick around to find out why the Nikon D3500 could be the perfect choice for you. Lightweight, user-friendly, and packed with features, the Nikon D3500 is designed to make photography as straightforward as possible without compromising on quality. With its 24.2 megapixel sensor and Expeed 4 image processing engine, this camera brings your photos and videos to life with stunning clarity. One of the biggest selling points of the D3500 is its impressive battery life. Imagine taking nearly 1,550 shots on a single charge. For travelers and outdoor enthusiasts, this means more shooting and less worrying about power. And for those of you stepping up from smartphone photography, the difference in image quality will blow you away. The large sensor and the ability to play with different Nikon lenses offer a huge leap in image quality, especially in low light. Now let's talk about usability. The D3500's guide mode is an intuitive feature that helps beginners understand camera settings through step-by-step explanations. It's like having a photography tutor built right into your camera. Sharing your creations has never been easier, thanks to the built-in Bluetooth connectivity. With Nikon's SnapBridge app, you can seamlessly transfer photos to your phone or tablet for quick editing or sharing on social media. One of the standout features of the Nikon D3500 is its compatibility with a wide range of lenses and accessories. Whether you're into wide-angle shots, macro photography, or telephoto zooms, the D3500 has you covered. Additionally, it supports various accessories like external flashes and remote controls, allowing you to customize your photography experience to suit your needs. With these options, you can take your photography to the next level, making the Nikon D3500 a versatile choice for both beginners and seasoned photographers alike. The Nikon D3500 isn't just a camera, it's a gateway to unleashing your creativity. That's it for today. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.